Learn the foundational structure of C# programs, including how libraries, namespaces, classes, and methods come together. You'll understand the basic anatomy of a program. You've learned the key components of a C# program: libraries for functionality, namespaces for organization, classes for structure, and method for actions. The structure of C# code. C# programs start with using directives for importing libraries, followed by namespaces for organization, classes for structure, and method for actions. Understanding namespaces. Namespaces organize your code and prevent naming conflicts. They group related classes and methods, making large projects manageable. Classes as blueprints. Classes are templates for objects, defining attributes and behaviors. For example, a car class can describe properties like color and methods like start engine. Exploring methods. Methods define specific actions that objects can perform. They allow your classes to have clear, reusable functionality, such as calculations or message outputs. Combining everything. C# programs are built by combining namespaces, classes, and methods into cohesive, functional systems that solve problems or provide specific functionality. You now understand how to organize, structure, and implement functionality in a C# program. With libraries, namespaces, classes, and methods, you can create scalable and maintainable applications.